Hi, I'm Manish. On behalf of Concepts to Creations, I welcome you to the new and exciting world of event management. Yes, I'm talking about virtual events. Let's understand the concept of virtual event. What, where and how. Let's go through our demo presentation. One of the leading event management company from past 12 years, Concepts to Creation is all set to create your memories filled with more entertainment and more excitement. Welcome to the world of virtual events. Virtual events is a new term for all of us. But in this presentation, I am going to explain you that how you can also plan your next virtual event with us. Most of us have been attending webinar from last few months, and I'm sure most of us will understand the comfort and safety behind virtual events. Our focus here is to create your events cost effective, also creating best virtual event with less human contacts. During this setup and recording, we take care of all the safety measures of COVID-19 at your office, home or our studio. From product launches to family day, from conferences to dealer meets, from concerts to cultural events, it's all possible. Virtual event has taken event management to the next level. So first of all, let's start with the features and benefits of virtual events. Options of changing attractive and different stage setup as per your event theme or event type. For example, this, or this. Option of showing your logo or video anywhere on this screen. For example, you can see just right behind me. By virtual setup, your presentation becomes more interesting and attractive. You can simply use clicker or presenter to show your slides. For making your event more interactive, we connect your guests or speakers from anywhere in this world live on screen during your presentation. For example, let's connect to Ashish from Concepts to Creations. Hi Ashish, how are you?
Hi Manish, I'm all good.
Welcome to the demo presentation of Concepts to Creations virtual event.
Thanks for joining me.
What do you think about this virtual event?
This is going to be the best solution for our client who are indeed to interact with people for their business solution. With this virtual solution, now our client can interact with customers from their home or office. They can even see events on any platform of their own choice and comfort. Best thing about virtual event is that now you don't have to see the hall size while making the guest list. You can have n number of guests even from the remote locations. At the end, I will only say sky is the limit for this virtual world.
Congratulations for your hard work and making virtual event easy and cost effective for everyone.
Thanks Manish, thanks.
We can also connect with artists like stand-up comedian, anchors, dancers, singers or live band performers so that we can have great engagement for your audience. With our creative and production team, we not only create your event look visually attractive and appealing, we also add value with more interactive session and unique event planning. The best part is, it's not necessary for you to visit our studio every time. The kind of virtual stage you are seeing right now is possible because of green screen chroma setup. You can just see. This is the setup I'm standing right now. We can also create temporary recording studio anywhere as per your requirement, home, office or anywhere at your venue. We provide you services like creative designing, pre or post production or artist management. We also take your event live on platforms you would like to prefer. Facebook, Zoom, Google Meet, MS Team, YouTube or any of your official platform. With fun filled and exciting events from past 12 years, Concepts to Creation is known for its unique way of creating memories in your life. With creativity and technology, we are going to take your events to the next level, making sure your virtual events be as exciting and entertaining as the on-ground events. This was just an introduction of what and how we create virtual events. There are many more features and benefits of virtual events. You can book your free demo contacting us on email, call or WhatsApp, or you can visit our studio for your free demo. We assure you that experience of your event getting virtual will be more fun and more exciting. Thanks for watching our demo presentation. Take care.